Good morning. We're gonna get in one of these boats today for fishing and yeah, chilling in the sea.
Come on, guys! Heave! Heave!
Off we go, everybody. In the water. Whoa! Okay, off we go, everybody.
I can change. I can change after you come here. Huh?
Pardon? You want me to come there?
But now I can change the sail after you come.
Oh, that's exciting. I was just going to put the sail here. One net.
Literally in that space.
Yay, we add another one and the boat gonna be go. Speed.
Oh, so funny.
Next,
Well, because he
next
went
spot gonna be a
standing,
fishing
you know,
time.
standing
Okay,
in it,
we'll
but he
show
just
you that,
went-
everybody.
It was like a lot
Stay
deeper
tuned.
than we expected.
Welcome on board. Everybody, let's go. Oh, maybe me go. I'm good. All right, thank you. I'll sit here now then.
Everybody's on the hop. Woo! Woo! Woohoo!
See my face?
Woohoo!
I'm on a log. Me. It's on. You've seen it, listen it.
Is it on photo or video?
Video.
Who wants to be on next YouTube?
Ready? Okay, now. Thank you.
I want to start off the boat like that.
Yeah? Oh no. Can't hold the phone like that. Now. At least we got some fish. A lot of shrimp in it.
That is cool.
Hey! Right. Prepare to get back to the beach. After an hour and a half, we caught one shrimp. Not a lot of fish. Yeah. A lot of fish. My shark tea. We are really close to the beach now. Boat gonna go on the beach. Okay. I just done with a fish, pushing the bait.
Are you cooking?
Yeah, I go.
Wow, that's so
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I go.
Okay.